Oh, I do be back and rent do be higher. only pockies. Only, so let's begin. Okay. Yo. Did that work? It worked. Yo, it worked. Yo, Salad, thank you for the hydration. The hydration. Yo, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not prepared. Thank you for sending me to EU. How you been, Salad? Wait, I saw you earlier today. You've been pretty good, no? I'd hope so. I hope so. I'm not ready. Your salad? Nice. What a good beginning. What a heckin' comfy beginning. Okay, so nothing works. Nothing works. Nothing is captured. You woke up an hour ago though? Yeah, that's pretty good. Is that not good? Nora, hello. Hi. Wait, we're going back to display capture today because fuck window capture when we have all the other issues. Oh no, the TTS it's not ready yet. Hang on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Thank you for the name. Hello. Hi. I'm alive, kinda, a little bit. Not for long. TM. In Minecraft. I don't know. Hello all. I hope all has been well. I've been productive at least. In other aspects of my life, but yeah, I'm back. We are back. I remember last time. Oh no, it's already happening. It's already happening. Z is already becoming unclickable. Man, this really grates on you, doesn't it? It must have done, considering how long it's been since I've streamed. Yo, I can't click on it. I immediately can't click on it. Oh my god. Let's try again. Oh, I should just move to Helix. Like, there's no reason why I shouldn't. Other than it's slightly more annoying to use. What's going on? Why is the encoder overloaded? It should not be overloading. Like, we're giving Z not all of the cores, and we're encoding with our GPU. Oh, maybe it's because we're encoding with GPU. I don't know. I think, actually no, we might be encoding with our CPU now. I don't remember. I changed what we were encoding with because, well, you know, the last few streams, my god. The computer turned off so many times. It was not funny. That's okay. Use it for each. Print LN. Hi. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you kind of just need to like, yeah. Yo, imagine, yo, what if we made a language for the overlay, and so you could type something like viewers iter for each thing, and then in the overlay it would like execute the program that you typed in the message. I'm sure that won't have any security issues. Nah. That'd be kind of cool though. Spam galore. It's possible. It is possible that is what would happen. I mean, at the moment, that would like add like 6 lines? Oh, 10 lines. Wow, crazy. Yeah, I wonder if we like what we do is we have like an output box and a chat box, and then anything that's like regular chat goes in the chat box, and any code that gets compiled or like code that can't compile is either just removed or is put into the output box if it has an output box. Yeah, that might be kind of lit. Yeah, that reminds me, Plinko. I'm still keen for some Plinko. Plinko could be nice. Plinko is where it's at. We're waiting for this to compile. I feel like we've done this. We've been waiting for it to compile for like the last like 3 streams, and I think that's about right. We might have been waiting for it to compile. Do I have? What is wrong with this? I can't even find my Discord server. What the? So rude. Oops. All right. I can't click on it. I can't click on Z. Anyway, we're adding traits, and this is what's gonna make the game. I would like to get further with traits. Traits would be really nice to have, because once we have traits, then we have a game. Before then, we have a game, but it's not fun. Well, it's gonna be low fun. Traits is where it gets delicious. Mm. Mm. Okay, we're up to compiling the last package. That is good to see. That is good to hear. F tier fun. Yeah, exactly. F tier fun. You are right. The F does not stand for fun. True. Because that wouldn't make any sense. Fun tier fun. Anyway. Oh look, it compiled. It ran. Oh man, look at this. Oh, the gacha pack. Oh, it's like it's bursting. It's bursting. I don't think it should be lit up. I don't know why it's being lit up. Well, it should be unlit. Wait, is it my imagination? Yeah, that does get unlit. Okay. Yeah, we got a slime. Oh, okay. Right, yeah, because we have this C component, and then when we hover over it, it does change the text to hover, which is not what we want it to do. Yeah, so basically when we do this, we wanted to spawn a new little window, I guess. Little plane. Oh man, that's gonna take some time, I think. Anyway, so what we do is I think we make a little thing just called like like we need a floating window essentially, which will be a plane that wait, it doesn't need to be a plane? No, it just needs to be a 2D box, a square. Oh, we just have a square. Okay. So we'll have a pop-up. So I think we just pop this out on the, because it's not a camera thing and it's not necessarily a game thing. I think we just pop it here and call it a day, and we'll go like floating. No, just pop up. Floating window, pop up. Let's just call it pop up RS. Rename pop up RS. Yeah, and we go use Bevy prelude star. Like so. Nice. Excuse me. Wait, prelude Bevy. I can't click on it. Wait, let me go use no, not use. It's like public super FN. Public super FN, what's this? Don't install public super FN plugin, and we pass in app and master app. And we don't do anything here. Right? Well, like, okay. So I guess we create a event that we're waiting for. So we go pubstruct, create pop-up. So I guess we'll give it a position, a size, and maybe some text. I don't know if this is gonna, if making it a different way is gonna be better. But yeah, for now we just need position size and then the text it contains. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And so here we go fn create pop-up. Wait, how do we know when to destroy it though? Oh, we'll think of that later. So here we'll just go and this is trigger on event of create pop-up. Oh, we haven't added this to the tree yet. Destroy my pop-up, yeah. Add plugin, no, add observer. There we go, create pop-up. Okay, let me just save this. Now let's add it to the tree. So here we just go mod pop-up. Retrofimsh? Really? Retrofimsh buggies. Yeah, okay, create pop-up, that's fine. We need to actually come into here. And then we go, yeah. Pop-up, plugin, save. Creating a pop-up. So yeah, if we just create it at the location, do we give it a name? Oh, let's give it a name. This will be like identifier. So we go identifier, which will also be a string. And then in here, in Rust, we do not destroy, we drop implicitly. That is true. Wait, let's just focus on creating it. Okay, so it's going to be in the 2D space, and I think that's okay. So I think what we do here is we just go, we need commands. You know Rust? You do know Rust. You could probably like convince someone in an interview you know Rust. It's like easy peasy. I have faith. We're spawning something, right? We're spawning like a rectangle with a color material. Yeah, that's what we're doing. So a rectangle. You'll send me to Sensei Element? Or is this more random law? But yeah, thank you. Okay, so UI rect. No, do we want rect or UI rect? I think we just want rect because it will be based on the mouse cursor position. Although, yeah. Greece. I currently don't have any plans to go to Greece, but sure. That is in the EU. That is true. That is take it sending me to EU. Pockies. Have head pats, thank you. Thank you for the head pats. Greece language is epic, is it? Currently I have no interest for it. At least go to Mount on FS, yeah. Then you have to get like a lot of different shots before you go to Greece though. That doesn't sound fun. Right, we're trying to like work out if we want a rectangle or a UI rect. No. No, not UI rect. Pretty sure rectangle. Oh yeah, so let's go rectangle. From size, and the size is trigger dot size. We also have transform from translation, and we go trigger dot position dot extend. Let's just go like 0. Lund, hello. The question is which camera rendering you want to display the thing with. UI rect is only if you want to display as a UI node. Well, it'll default to the correct one, so it's not really a question, I think. Alright, so this needs to become probably like mesh 2D, and then we go meshes, add rectangle from size. Maybe we don't have meshes. Meshes is a resource lot of assets mesh, if I remember. Rectangle is the mesh builder, rect is for calculations. Yeah. That is correct. And then we just need a mesh 2D material. No. Material 2D. Material Besmut assets. Dang it, we just want color material, right? Material dot add color material. If I just fill in the structs, yeah, the color for the background, let's just make it like a blue probably. Color red, green, blue. So let's just go like 0.1 red, 0.2 green, 0.5, 0.4 blue is fine. Alpha mode. Oh, I don't think we care about the rest. Yeah, the rest can just get defaulted. Yeah, okay, nice. Position, trigger size. Okay. Have you kept up with spawning changes in 16, especially the new way children are spawned in a unified way with custom relationships? What version am I on? No, I haven't looked at, like, the last time I saw any patch notes, 15 was only just out. What is unified way with custom relationships? What does that mean? Maybe I should look it up. It sounds interesting. Yeah, look at this. Look, why am I getting sponsors on my Firefox browser? Look, I just open a new tab and it's just chilling here. Like, what? Hide weather on new tab. Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, why did it appear there? This week in Bevy. Yeah, and they usually have pretty long videos, but usually they're pretty good. That's true. 16's not out yet. This week in Bevy. Yeah, maybe we'll have a look. We'll have a listen. Updated 2 days ago.
Welcome back to This Week in Bevy.
Yo. Videos. Fallible observers. Yo, fallible observers is good. Bundle effects. Yo, bundle effects sounds cool. I don't know what that is. Entity cloning. Yo, okay. Okay, we're now we're talking. So I'm just reading the titles. 0.16 is no, it's not no. Bundle effects, that is it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm interested. What does that even mean? Bundle effects. Let's have a look. So 9 days ago. Skyboxes. Yeah, I saw they were changing skyboxes when I was looking at it. Yeah, that's a lot of boxes. Let's have a watch.
Welcome back to This Week in Bevy. This week, Bevy has upgraded to WGPU 24 and enabled unchecked shaders for added performance. The next generation scene and UI system is also making headway with improved spawn APIs and bundle effects.
Nice.
And in the showcases this week, we see a number of landscape and planetary terrain LOD systems with and without voxels. First off, we've got possibly the biggest PR merge of the week. Progress towards BSN continues with 17.521, which is improved
Spawn APIs and bundle effects. Spawn food with children. Yo, that's what we have currently.
Spawn APIs and bundle effects. If you've spawned nested hierarchies of entities in Bevy, you've probably done something like this with the with children or with child commands. In this PR, a new bundle effect trait has been added in addition to other types such
macros. Okay. That could get confusing though. Like, wait, what if you... Okay. I mean, okay, let's continue.
Just spawn and spawn related, that results in the following next generation macro-based hierarchy spawning experience. This is the same example I just showed, but with the new APIs. The order of events when inserting is as follows. First, the bundle is inserted onto the entity.
Well, like, okay, this makes it harder to do weird stuff along the way. Like, often I need to do calculations for each child. And if you're, like, macroing this into a... I guess you could just have a closure in there. But then you end up with the same code because you... yeah. It's not inherently going to use a macro, it's just using the new API.
Second, relevant hooks are run for the insertion. Third, relevant observers are run. And fourth, the new bundle effect is run. Notably, these new APIs extend to any arbitrary relationship which was recently merged, not just children or parent and children. Altogether, this new functionality enables spawning hierarchies, lists, and relationships with or without the macro syntax. And also a very interesting development, hierarchies can now be returned from functions.
Oh, nice.
Here we have a button that
That's
imports
cool.
bundle as the return type that spawns a node with some text children.
Okay, that's
if you're
good.
interested in the mechanics of the implementation, or you just don't like the
Yeah,
macro
that's
APIs,
really good,
definitely
actually.
go check out the PRs because it lists all of the ways you can use it without using the macros. And next up, building on top of fallible systems, observers also receive the ability to fail in 17.731.
Oh, that's
This
good,
means
right?
observer functions can now take advantage of the question mark or try operator. And following on
It's
fallible
alright.
observers, we've got 17.753, which
I won't use
introduces
it.
configurable error handling for fallible systems at the global, schedule, and individual system levels. This defines what should happen if you're using a question mark in a system or an observer, and how that error should be reported. For example, whether it should panic or warn. And because of mesh pre-processing, the built-in instance index that's available in shaders in WGSL is not stable and can't be used to reference external data. 17.648 introduces a user-supplied mesh index that can be used for referencing that external data.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty good.
Meshes. The shader
Mesh
automatic
stuff.
Instancing example has been updated to show this usage. And as of 17.758, which will affect Bevy 0.16's docs when it's released, Bevy's docs will have stylized tags for types that implement notable traits, such as component,
yo,
resource,
it
and
looks
more.
so nice.
You can see a whole bunch of them in a test
Oh,
list
that's poke.
That's each of these pills right at the top. Now, this is information that is also available in the left-hand sidebar here, but it's a little bit more prominent and a little bit more Bevy specific to
that
see
looks
these
so
right
nice.
at the top. And then we've got a couple of new examples this week. First off, we've got local default values, but without using new types. So while you could new type a value and then implement default for that new type to get a default value, you could also use the get or insert function on a local to set that value if it wasn't set already.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Introduces an entity disabling example. This refers to the default query filter work that can opt entities out of being included in systems. And finally, we've got a new custom render phase example.
That's interesting.
This uses a custom render phase and some of the lower level Bevy APIs to take the mesh data that's already available, such as this cube, and in this case,
you call it, but basically bundle effects allow you to define side effect of adding a bundle to an entity with a pre-implemented side effect being spawning other entities. Allows you to define a side effect of adding a bundle to an entity with pre-implemented side effect being spawning other entities. I mean, it kind of just sounds like what I use observers for currently. It's pretty neat, though. I like it.
Draw directly to the view target over it, in this case with a red color. I've taken advantage of this example myself already before it was merged, and it's really nice to see some more of the low-level APIs getting documented. So if you're interested in the rendering APIs in Bevy, you're interested in getting a little bit lower, definitely go check this one out. And
when a bundle spawned, run this command, yeah, it's basically what I use observers a lot in this project for. I'm like, if this component is added to an entity, run this system, which is the observer itself. But yeah, that's probably like a bundle allows you to do it for more than like a set of things. You don't have to name things individually. But yeah.
Of course, as always, Alice's merge train is a maintainer level view into active PRs, both those that are merging and those that need work. In her own words, there's a lot of how the sausage is made in these threads, so definitely go check these out if you're interested in how these PRs actually get into Bevy. And we've got a couple of landscape mesh generations in the showcases this week. This one is landscapes that can be created from height maps, now support for fast dynamic level of details based on block trees.
Yeah, that's
and
cool.
Back over in 2D land, we've got an asteroid style ship flying around, breaking down other ship-like entities, and also breaking down asteroids.
Yeah, that's sick.
This is MemBooster V2. This is version 2 of MemBooster, an iOS memory game, which now has a simple card guessing game. MemBooster V2 is also working on reintegrating Bevy Velo since they've updated the plugin to Bevy 0.15. And of course, just like that, we're right back into planet-sized mesh generation. This is an Earth-sized planet subdivided down into sub-meter polygons. Meshes subdivide themselves as the player gets closer, and each mesh knows its latitude and longitude, as well as its infinite coordinates relative to the 20 top-level icosahedral faces. which it will then use to assign itself UVs and heights. This demo is making use of big space, which I've seen in a number of demos like this, especially things related to planets and space and very large distances, so a worthy crate to look out for. Next up, we've got a view into Nominal's main shader, now with hybrid ray tracing. The shader computes everything from primitive surface data stored in storage buffers and screen coordinates. And just a heads up, there's a bit of a flashing warning for this planet as it comes in, and we're right back into full-size voxel planet projects. Updates to this full-size voxel planet project include placing the planets on different voxel grids, which allows to move the planets without actually changing the voxels. And you can see as the camera gets closer, you get more detail, all the way down to the surface before you can see what, gives off a lunar surface vibe. Because
kind of cool. Kind of buggy though. So is they implemented to have no extra overhead compared to current with children API? It's far more flexible. I said weirdly observers and extra systems have obvious overhead bundle effects and current with children don't. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see.
3D back to 2D again. This is relay integration. Relay integration is a numerical method used to integrate Newton's equations of motion. This demo uses it to create a web slinging effect, as you can see here. If you want to learn more about relay and game applications, there's a great GDC talk called Math for Game Programmers.
GDC, let's go.
Some of these integration
GDC's Pog.
And next up, we've got procedural dungeon mesh generation, which is, as I said, mesh generation for a procedural dungeon. There are multiple floors shown here, which will eventually be connected by a staircase. And honestly, it's always really nice to see gizmos used in this capacity, but maybe that's just because I have a special place in my heart for development tools. And next up, we've got Flappy, which is a Bevy 0.15 Flappy Bird implementation that is also deployed on the web to play and open source for educational purposes. So if you're interested, we've got the link to the source repo and the web deployment over on the This Week in Bevy website. And that brings us right into the crates with Bevy picking BVH backend. Bevy picking BVH backend is an optimization or intended to be an optimization to mesh picking using a BVH tree. BVH is a bounding volume hierarchy. And as I understand it, throughout the week, this actually got multiple backend support for different bounding volume hierarchy implementations.
Yeah, sick.
Now, my understanding is also that there are no benchmarks currently, but the creator of the crate has seen some benefit to very large scenes. And then we've got Halka V3, or V0.3 anyway. Halka is an ergonomic reactivity library powered by FRP signals using the Futures Signals crate. It is a port of the web UI libraries Moon, Zune, and Dominator and offers the same signal semantics as a thin layer on top of Bevy UI. While Halka is primarily targeted at UI and provides high-level UI abstractions, its core abstraction can be used to manage signals-powered reactivity for any entity, not just Bevy UI nodes. There are also some really great examples in here, such as a Minecraft inventory menu that are definitely worth checking out. And then we've got Bevy Web Server. This is the first release of Bevy Web Server, which is a web server integration that allows you to easily append a web server to Bevy. It supports creating standalone apps or appending a web server to an existing Bevy app or game. And you can see the example here using Axum. Another new crate, Bevy Easy Database. Bevy Easy Database is a persistent storage solution that automatically serializes and persists your components to disk using Fial as the underlying database. It supports automatic persistence, hot reloading of component data, and selective persistence using marker components. And last up, we've got Bevy Tailwind V0.2.3. Bevy Tailwind brings Tailwind's classes to Bevy, generating nodes from a TW macro, as you can see here.
Not a fan.
The input code as well as the compiled code. And that's it for this week. As always, we've got all of the pull requests that were
Yeah, Bevy's doing so many cool things. It's amazing. Right, pop-ups. We were making pop-ups, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So when we go, how did we do the hovering? Sorry for sidetracking. No worries. It was good. It was interesting. I haven't looked at any Bevy stuff for like, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. They're plodding along pretty heckin' fast. Pretty heckin' fast. Yeah, why is it hot in my room? It's so hot in my room. Yeah, this is a test stream anyway. Like, I didn't really put it in the title, but the last few streams, it keeps on. The computer would crash a lot. Well, not crash; it would just turn off. But so far, so good. Okay, so this text entity doesn't matter. Yeah, because at the moment we have update child. Okay, yeah. So this is where we wanna on pointer over update child text on. So we go pub fn create pop up the window on. All right, so we go event e. This should probably live inside the pop up thing, but we'll move it there later because we have event e, and then we also have the pop up. No. Yes. Pop up event. Do we pass that into here? Does that make sense? I think that makes sense because this returns a implement of what was the cool little trick here? It is not in this function, not in this file. Oh, we're back in the EU. Behavior. Yo, said stop it. Oh, here we are. So it's just implement fn. Okay, that's simple enough. So was this under traits? Yeah. Implement fn, and we pass in like, I don't know, I think we just need commands. And then here, this is just like commands. And then this is commands.trigger pop-up event. What's wrong with this? E is not an event, so that's okay. What's wrong with E now? Doesn't have the copy trait. We just use the move keyword here. Yeah, we do use the move keyword, that's correct. We don't need to do this though. Gotcha. Commands, trigger. Yeah, okay, so this should be fine. Pop-up event. Oh wait, no. So this would be on E, and this is pop-up event. Pop-up. Wait, pop-up. We need to import this. Create pop-up. Is it because the library is not working? Hang on, let's go rename. Let's wait for the linter to catch up. Come on, linter. Oh wait. Yo, I think this might be a short stream. Yeah, import create pop-up. Nice. Wait, do we need... Oh, we need a trigger here, right? We need it part of this function, if I'm not mistaken, because trigger of E, yeah, okay. So this is our trigger E. This is trigger E. That's fine. What's wrong with this? Capture the variable. If event does not implement copy. Let's just clone it, question mark. See? Yeah, because then up here, you can go observe, create pop-up window on event. So this would be on pointer over. Oh wait, the problem is it's something. So we go create pop-up. So the position we don't actually know. The size though, we can go like 200 by 300. Actually, we need it. Let's go 400 by 200. What else do we have? We have identifier, which is like traits tooltip. ToString. We also have position size. There was another thing, right? Pop up. Text. Right, text. Oh, we won't know what the text is anyway. Okay, this is an example text showing trait details. ToString. Okay, why is this all like... Oh, because it's not public. Because it's not public. 0. Nice. But it does mean in here we do need to get the mouse position. How do we do that? I forget. Bevy mouse position. Mouse button. Mouse events. Scrolling wheel, mouse motion. Cursor position. Yeah, okay, so it would be this then. So we do need to get a window. Okay, so we'll copy this. So instead of primary window, I think it's just like main window. Primary window. I think maybe it's just called primary window. Which fits here. This is like a window. Then this is here. So here we go. Pop-up event. Dot position is equal to position. Yeah, let mat pop-up event is equal to pop-up event. So clone. And we'll move it here and we'll go save. And this is just gonna be like windowed single. Yeah, nice. This should have an extra E. Primary window. I think that's it. Let's try compiling it and see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Oh man, I am pretty fucking tired. Yeah, this might be just like a 1 hour test stream. Just finish it up. Oh no, I can't click on Z. We're waiting. We're waiting for it to compile. Yeah. Yeah, if this like does a thing, I think we're done. Like I'm far too tired. I should have gone for a nap before stream. That's okay though. Like I don't want to push myself too hard. What are we testing exactly? Oh, right, this. Oh, it didn't work. Right? Or it did work, just like it's not showing up. Hang on, so if we go to gotcha game pop-up, does this get triggered? We just go like debug spawning pop-up. I'm pretty sure this gets triggered. Okay, pop-up. It is compiling. It's compiling. Man, I really wish. Yeah, maybe I set up the Crane compiler offline because we have been waiting in this compile land for far too long. Mm. Oh my god. Okay, okay, nice, 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 nice. Yeah, spawning pop-up. It did work. It's just not showing nicely. Nice. Okay, yeah, I think we're just a small test stream. I can compile things. Computer doesn't die. It's basically I confirmed what I wanted. We're gonna go raid Astatin because I don't think I've ever raided Astatin. They're still live somehow. But yeah, thank you for attending my test stream after a week of not streaming. hopefully tomorrow my sleep is like not rip like it is currently. And we can have a longer stream. That'd be nice. I'd like that. Anyway, thank you for probably my shortest stream in existence. And yeah. Bevy template sets all the fancy options for you. Yo, that's helpful. Thank you. Thank you very much. Send the file. Yeah. Nice. Oh, good. That like I can get it from that crane lift. Yeah, yeah. It is true. I do want crane lift parallel front end. Yep. Yeah, I should get all of that set up because it will make for better stream stuff. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Cargo generator. Sick. Okay, if I get stuck, I'll probably put a little post on my Discord or something. Okay. Have fun all. Bye bye.